Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox Audio mobile. First, you'll need to access the Roblox Creator Dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your creations. Once there, prepare your audio file. It's crucial that your sound meets the platform's specific requirements, typically in MP3 or OGG format and under 7 minutes in length. Then, navigate to the audio section and click Upload Asset to begin the process. This initial step is vital for getting your sound into the Roblox ecosystem. Before uploading, double-check your audio specifications. Roblox primarily supports MP3 and OGG file types. Crucially, your audio should not exceed 7 minutes in duration. Anything longer will likely fail. When uploading, give your asset a clear, descriptive title and a brief description. This helps others find and understand your sound. Finally, set the appropriate permissions. You can choose whether your audio is public, private, or available for specific groups, ensuring proper usage and control over your creation. Now, let's bring your audio into your game using Roblox Studio. Open your desired game project. Next, insert a sound object. You can place this in the workspace, a part, or even a screen GUI, depending on your needs. In the Properties window, find the Sound ID property and paste the asset ID of your recently uploaded audio. From there, you can adjust various settings like volume, looping behavior, and playback speed to perfectly fit your game's atmosphere. This step makes your sound interactive. Finally, thorough testing on mobile devices is essential. Play your game on several different phones and tablets to confirm the audio plays as intended. Pay close attention to any potential latency or performance issues, especially on slower connections. Optimizing your audio file sizes can significantly improve loading times for mobile users. Smaller files mean quicker downloads and smoother gameplay. Also, consider implementing spatial audio for a more immersive experience, making sounds feel like they're coming from specific directions within your game world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.